Hello first grader, welcome to a new math lesson. Today we are on topic 11, lesson 4, using mental math to subtract tens. You have learned how to add using mental math. Today you will learn how to subtract using mental math. Remember when we used to say 34 plus 20, I know that I'm adding two tens. So 34, that means the 4 remain the same because they are ones and I'm only adding tens. So I say 34 plus 20, that's mean 2 tens. 34, I go up one more, so 44, one more, 54. So 34 plus 20 is 54. We're gonna do the same, but with the subtraction, we know it's the opposite of addition. So when I say, for example, I have 76 minus 20, that means I'm counting backward two tens. My ones will remain the same, so I always look for the tens. So I have 7 tens, take away 2. So 7 take away 2 is 5. So 5 and my ones remain the same. So 76 minus 20 is 56. The ones remain the same. Okay, so that's one way that you put ones on the side and then only subtract tens, because this lesson we only subtracting tens. So this is called mental math. I don't need to use paper. I'm not gonna use my 100 chart. I'm not gonna use my counters. So you just subtract the tens. Put the ones down because you're not subtracting, and we subtract the 10. All right, let's give another example. Let's say 53 minus 10. We can go also counting backwards. So 53, before the 5, count 4, right? 10. 4. So 4 and my 1 remain the same. So 53 minus 10 equals 43. Let's take another example, number 3. 49 minus 30. Okay, I know that I'm only dealing and subtracting tens. So leave the ones on the side in your head and just say 4 tens take away 3. That's mean 1 10 left, and then I'm gonna put my ones the same. All right, let's go for number 4, and let's say 88 minus 30. So again, I'm only dealing with the and subtracting the tens. So 10, I have 8 tens, take away 3. 8, a simple math we have in first grade in the beginning of the school year. So 8 take away 3 equals 5. So the 8 tens, I take 3 tens away, I have 5 tens. 5 tens means 50, and then my ones, the 8, so 58. All right, let's turn the page and read the examples we have. You have used different ways to subtract tens. You can also use mental math to subtract tens. Remember the chart, and we also use the counters. This time we gonna use mental math, like you do it in your head. So one way is to count back, because remember in addition we used to count ahead. You leave the ones on the side and you add more tens. Or you subtract using the 10 frames card, or you can also, as we say, you say that I'm only subtracting tens, so I'm taking, use it as a simple numbers and leave the ones on the side. All right, subtract, use mental math or 10 frame cards. So 26 take away 10. 26 means I have 2 frames of 10, 10, 20, and then 6 ones. The third frame is not complete. It's only the first row 5 and one more 6. So 26 take away 10, that means 1 10 frame, I will take it out. So I have 16. All right, let's do this one. This is their size. Number 253, take away 20. All right, I don't want to use 10 frames. I want to use mental math. I want to have 10 frames. I want to have a pencil. So let's practice this. 53, take away 20. All right, I know that I have 53 means I have 5 tens, and I have here 2 tens means 20. So if I say 5 take away 2, that means 3 tens left. All right, so if I have 50 take away 20, that means 30. And then my ones are the same because I'm only subtracting tens. So I I have 3 tens, and then my ones, 3 ones. Let's go for number 3. That's easy. 20 take away 10, count back 1 time, which is 110. My answer is 10. All right. Number 4, 2 take away 30. So I have 3 tens, and I have 3 tens. 3 take away 3 is 0. That's leave me with only the ones, which is 2. All right. 80 take away 40. It's like you have 8 group of tens or 8 10 frame, then you take away 40, take away 4 of them, that leave you with 40. Exactly. All right, let's see. Do you understand? Explain why only the 10th digit changes when you subtract 20 from 76. What do you see here? Because there are no ones in here. The ones are 0. So when I subtract, I'm actually subtracting tens because I don't have ones in on the 20s. So let's put this down. Only the tens digit changes because, let's start here, there are no ones in the number that I'm using here, which is the 20 to subtract. Oops. All right. Very good. Let's go for page 369 and see the rest of the exercise independent practice. Number 6, subtract. Use mental math or 10 frame cards. So if we have it, if it's wait for you, do it. If it's not, let's use mental math. All right. 39 take away 20. So I have 10, that's 10 frames, 10, 20, 30, and then I have 9. So 39 take away 20, that's mean I'm crossing out 2 tens. So here's 10 and here's 10. That leaves me with 1 10 and 9. That's 10 plus 9 equals 19. So 39 minus 20 equals 19. All right. Let's go for number 7. 80 minus 60. So only the 10 digit will change because I have nothing in the ones. So the ones will be the same, 0, and 8 take away 6. Very good, 2. So it became a simple math subtraction like in the beginning of the school year. Number 8, 17 take away 10. So I know 1 take away 1, 1 10, and I take it away. That's mean 0. I have no tens, and then my ones remain the same because I'm subtracting tens, and then the tens here, the first 10 doesn't have any ones. It's 0. All right, let's go for number 9. 60 take away 40. You can also go back and count backward. So 60 take away 40. So if I'm counting back 60, then I gotta say 50, 40, right? That's mean 60, 50, 40, 30. How many? 20. 52 take away 10. Again, my ones remain the same because this addend or this part doesn't have any numbers and ones. So 5 tens take away 1 10. That's mean 4, and I'm gonna put my ones down. So gonna be 42. All right, let's see algebra number 11. Write the missing number. 40 plus something equals 60. All right, let's go for counting. Remember the addition. 40, 50, 60. So how many tens? 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. All right. Now I know that 40 plus 20 equals 60. So 60 minus what give me 40? 60. This is my 60. Minus 40. minus something, minus something equals 40. So minus 20. So 40 plus 20 equals 60. So 60 minus 20 equals 40. Or I can also say 60 minus 40 equals 20. So I have total minus one part, give me the other part, or either this part, first part, or the second part. All right, let's turn the page and see the next exercise, number 13. Use mental math to solve it. Jamal has 43 stamps, that's the total. One stamps on his desk. He put 30 stamps in a notebook, so that's one part he knows. So now we need to get the missing part, or the missing side. So what we do, we take away. So 43 minus 30 equals that missing part. So I know 43, that's mean 4 tens. Take away 30, that's mean 3 tens. So 4 take away 3 equals 1, that's 1 10, and my ones will remain the same. So 43 minus 30 equals 13. If you want to draw here, if you want to draw the tens, you can do this one, or if you want to do the 10 frame. All right, Marta has 54 beads. She used 40 of them to make necklace. How many beads does she have left? So she has total 54, she used 40. So 54 means 5 tens and 4 ones, and 40 means 4 tens. So I don't have ones here, so the one will remain the same. I'll keep my one on the side, and now I have 5 tens, take away 4 tens. So 50 take away 40, that's leave me with 1 10. My total should be 14. Do I have 14 here? Yes. So that's my answer, D. All right, let's do number 15. Journal, write a subtraction story about 56 minus 30. Solve your story. So these are the number you need to use, and you need to make a story about them. So we can say anything. You can say like here, Jamal has 56 stamps or 56 stickers. He used 30. So you put down the answer. Or we can say the pet shop had 56 fish, and then the shop sold 30 fish today. So how many fish are left? So that's what we need. We need to write the story sentence. So I'll put one example now, but of course you can do what you like. So I'm going to say the pet shop had 56 fish. The shop sold the number I have here, 30 fish. So how many fish are left? So how many fish are left? And then you do your subtraction here. Again, I put my ones because I'm not subtracting here any ones, and then I have the tens. So 5 take away 3, 5 tens take away 3 tens equals 2. So there are 26 fish left. Okay, so today's lesson was using mental math to subtract 10. We use different methods. We used the 100 chart, we count backward, we use counter and connecting cubes, but today we were using mental math, and also you can use that 10 frames. All right, that's it for today, first graders. Thank you. Bye-bye.